Hello, I'm Candace Marcotte, and I believe in the power of educational technology. As a technology facilitator in a one-to-one middle school, I love to help students and teachers become connected learners. It's amazing that on this giant earth, we have the ability to connect with anybody, linking us together, which breaks down the walls by opening our eyes to new perspectives through shared experiences. We're able to ask questions about our world and find up-to-date answers which extend our learning, then share our voices, amplify them by connecting and collaborating with others. And through this collaboration, we're able to develop new ideas and innovate. Technology allows for creativity and appealing to the multiple intelligences through choice, which really allows for a student's individuality to shine. More than ever, we have the possibility to challenge students to critically reflect by documenting their own learning. We're also able to differentiate for all levels of learners by taking advantage of resources available to us and connecting with field experts, helping our students reach the end goal. This allows us to be more efficient and spend time assessing learning and supporting students. We can allow for immediate feedback in a continuous cycle. We gain perspective through our experiences and take a step back. We're able to see that the affordances that educational technology provides us leads to new ideas. What once seemed unimaginable is now possible. Big ideas, big learning.